playing. We are playing 99 Lines in the Forest with my friend Tommy. But where are you? What? He's there. Let's cut woods first. That's first person. Okay. Real Tommy. Follow me. Let's cut together. There's a glitch, they said. 3, 2, 1, go. What? Bro, the glitch was fake. Let me get you. I will get some food for us.
Just get some loot.
Food. Bunny. Okay, I'll go to that shower.
I have something for you. Look.
Yeah. That's okay. I don't think it.
Don't forget, give me some loot.
Okay. I'm gonna uninstall you guys. And go. Okay. Look. Okay. There's a chest. Yay. A chest.
I found chest.
I found chest too.
I found the chest.
Say, and I've got a revolver.
What? Are you going to shot me? I got
The deer just watches me. It doesn't seem to come closer. I don't think it likes my flashlight on my campfire. Wait.
No, that.
Let's jump.
Just going to cut some wood.
Okay. Night approaching. The night is
You got
approaching.
some wood.
Now I answer them because I have. Wait, I saw you. There's a fairy. A fairy. Flashlight. Store. Get. I'm going back. I'm scared. Don't come to me, dear. If you come to me, I will get you. I'm almost here. Here, I got you a flashlight, real Tommy. The deer. Oh my god. I love you, deer. I'm a dirty deer. Love you, deer. Are you going, deer? No. What? I will go explore. My flashlight. Oh, what's I'm gonna get us some food. Oh no! No! Shut up! Get out! Oh, final daytime.
Bro, the pet trader has arrived.
What?
Bro, look.
Okay. Wait. I got some.
Bro, look. I can get some items. Happy.
Can I get a good sack? back. Carrots. I'll take carrots. Eat.
Let's save the kid. Let's save the
Wait.
kid.
Okay, wait. I will come there. Sprint. I'm almost there. Come on, where are you?
Just right in the campfire, bro.
I'm in the campfire. Where are you?
Follow me.
Where are you? I'm in the campfire.
Wait, I'm going there.
Dedication. Oh, I'm going. coming. Let's go. Okay. Scream. Oh. Hey, I forgot I have a revolver.
Bro, just shot someone. Bro, why did you Lord so?
Wait. Got one, I'm coming. Wait guys, I will be back. What?
I got the kid.
You already get the kid. Oh my god. Can I get the key? Can I get the kid? Can I get the kid? Let's go. What did you get? Open chest. Let's approach. Okay, kid. Old flash.
Wait,
Okay, I will get some supplies. Food. Get the foods. A chest. Finding the chest. See. Another revolver. See. Another revolver. Go to the campfire. I'm getting you a revolver. Go back to the campfire. Here. Here's a revolver to grab. Get a revolver. I'm gonna get a wood. What?
let's save another kid.
You need to eat first.
I already ate. There's one in the campfire already.
Okay, I will go. What? So many food. Chicken Joy. Chicken Joy. But the kid. Let's go. Where's the second kid? Wait. Check you. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I will go there first. Don't come here. Oh no. Sprint. Sprint.
Barilis ikalaro, good for you, Locos. Walang riyas sa unahan, Barilis, good for you, Locos. Lakas.